first guest is Scarlett. She drove here all the way from Canada.
Germany. Alabama.
Okay,
Russia.
Canada. All right. So what's first?
Well.
Is there a double sign up there?
Yes.
Yes. Good. Where is it?
It's in the middle.
That's correct. Oh, why is it? Here we go. Here, come on. It's not letting. There we go. Okay, you're right. It's in the middle. Please don't start talking. Come on. Now. Okay. So, what do we do with the double sign? Please. What do we do with the double sign?
The Dorito Man?
You use your Dorito Man because you're multiplying those two signs together. Okay,
Yeah.
what happens?
Well, since you have a positive and then negative, you could
We cross
Yeah.
those out. Good. So we've got a negative. So I want you to write it down the new sign of the number. So -5, -4. Okay, next.
you have to make
The table.
yeah.
Good guys, bad guys, scoreboard. Okay. Now what?
You have to put the -5 and the -4 under the negative.
Correct. They're both negative. All right. And then what?
You add it together.
That's right, because we want to get the total number of points that they scored. Who wins? Bad guys. Okay, so that means you cannot forget to put a negative. All right, number 2. Number 2. Scarlett, you're doing number 2. Yeah, you're doing 1 and 2.
I don't know number 2.
1 and 2.
I don't know how to do number 6.
Scarlett. Okay, is there a double sign?
Yes.
Yes, that's right. So what do we do with those two signs?
You get the Dorito Man.
We get the Dorito Man. Okay, so positive and negative again. So that makes a negative. 13 and -9. Okay, now what?
It's not on my thing. It's not on my thing.
Now what do we do?
Oh, you have to make the I didn't see it.
Yes, the table. Okay.
Yeah.
13 goes where?
The positive.
Good guys, and 9.
The negative.
That's right. Okay, who wins?
Positive.
Good guys.
Yeah, woo!
Alright, how many points did they win by?
4.
4.
Alright, so your answer is positive 4. Right, let's hear it for Scarlett. Our next guest is Van coming from sunny Southern California. Let's hear it for Van.
Hi.
He's from Canada.
Canada?
He's from
Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
Afghanistan.
Alright. Okay, number 3. How do we do it, Mr. Vans?
You make that chart thing.
Chart thingy? Okay. Let me change colors. So I tried to. You didn't listen to me. Colors. Okay. Yes, chart.
And then you put the 5 under the good guys.
Yes, can you move a little closer to the computer, please? Thank you. Okay, and what about the 8?
You put it under the negative.
Right. Okay,
Yeah.
good.
And then you
Who
say,
wins?
the bad guys.
Bad guys win. Okay, how many points did they win by?
-3.
Right. Bad guys win by 3. That's -3. Okay. Next.
You make that chart, and then you put 8 under good guys,
Mm-hmm.
and then 9 under bad guys,
Mm-hmm.
and then that's -1.
Bad guys win by 1 point. Correct. Okay. Let's hear it from Mr. Vance. Now we have Spider-Man coming all the way from the Spider-Verse. Spider-Man. Okay. Spider-Man. All right. Help let's do number 5, please.
Okay. You do the chart thingy,
Chart, good guys, bad guys, okay.
and you put -4 number on negative, and then -2 on negative,
Good.
and then you get -6.
Hold on a second. Okay, so yeah, we want to find out how many points they scored, right? So the bad guy scored a total of 6 points. Oops. Oh, boo. There we go. Total of 6 points. Bad guys win 6 points. -6. Good. Next one. Do you want to do the next one?
No.
Okay, I can do it. Or does anyone want to help? Well, let's hear it for Spider-Man. You have a code name? What? Cheesecake. All right, let's hear it for Cheesecake. She's coming all the way from, I don't know,
The Cheesecake Factory.
the Cheesecake Factory.
Let's
Okay.
go cheesecake.
All right,
Cheesecake.
all right. Help us out here for number 6.
Okay, so first, you make the double signs into a single sign. So you use Dorito Man.
Okay, I'm gonna do that. So I've got a negative and a positive again, which makes a negative. Okay, 10. Let's write it out again with single signs.
Oh.
10, -5, right?
Mhm.
And then,
And then -3.
right. So we got 10, -5, -3. Okay. We all have this written down. You gotta have it. I'm gonna check it tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, so you do good guys and then bad guys, and then 10 goes in good guys,
Okay.
and -5 and -3 go in bad guys.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Now-
then with the bad guys, you add them.
Yeah, we gotta get their total score. So 8 to 10, who wins?
Good guys.
The guys. Okay.
And then now you subtract 10 and 8.
And you get?
You get 2.
Yeah, good guys win by 2. That was excellent. All right. Okay, so when the test is asking you to write an integer, that just means they want you to write a number. So losing, do you think that's going to be positive or negative? Negative. So they just want you to write a -15. That's all they want you to do. Okay, Superman woke up and he said, "Man, it's cold in here. It's -9." And then it increased by 10. So where is the temperature now?
1.
+1. Now you could do it on a number line, or you could do it like this, right? The guys win by 1. Okay. All right. All right. Now who do we have now? We got Batman. Sigma Batman. Let's hear it for Sigma Batman. Okay. Tell us how we do this, please.
Okay, so Dorito Man.
Yes, I'm gonna draw me a Dorito Man. Okay.
Okay. Now you cover up the negatives,
Right.
like
then
the
it
eyes.
is- Okay, the eyes. And you end up
You
with
get a positive,
Okay, and it.
and then you add them up and you get a 16.
Yes. Yes. Very good. Okay. How about this one?
You do Dorito Man, then you cover up the positive and the negative. You get a negative, subtract it, and then you get a 15.
Very good.
Why is nobody clapping that hard?
All right. So when you have 3 numbers, what do we do? We do 2 at a time. So I'm gonna only do the first 2. First, I'm going to only do the first two. So negative times a negative makes up positive. You're so smart. Positive 30. And then we're going to bring down this negative 1. Positive times a negative now is a negative. Alright, how many people got everyone right so far? Wow, a lot of people. That's great. That's great. This is blocking my view. Okay. Alright, negative times negative makes up positive. Okay, cover up the eyes again. Positive 16. Okay.
Yeah, I have my stammy too.
Okay. Alright, now we have Elon Musk. Get up there, Elon Musk. Hey, I asked all of you to be waiting behind the person. Well, you're already there. Okay, so how do we do this? It's division.
Yeah, you Dorito Man, the
Multiplication and division is Dorito Man. Okay.
Yeah.
Negative and positive.
that one, yeah. So the 3 is negative, and
Negative 3.
then you
Okay,
divide,
how about this one?
and then
Oh,
Wait,
negative
it's
5. You're right.
it's negative
You
5.
were saying divide by 3.
Yeah.
Sorry about
And
that.
then
You're
you
right.
divide 15 by 3, and you get negative 5.
Okay, how about this one?
You divide negative 7 by negative 35, and then you get positive 5
Positive because we cover up the...
because they're both negative. So you divide
Okay,
both
you
negative.
did it. Okay, now we got Mia. Mia's coming here all the way from Hawaii. Okay, Mia, how do we do this problem?
Negative 6 times negative 1.
What?
Negative 6 times negative 1.
Okay, so this AB means multiplication when it's next to each other. So she's right. Negative 6 times negative 1. So what do we get?
It's positive 6.
Positive 6. Very good. Okay, next one.
And then 25 minus negative 10.
25 minus negative 10. So at the top of the test, I didn't have any minus and negative, but we have it now. Okay, we have it now. So how do we do minus negative?
We know it's plus.
Yeah, it turns into a positive because it's 2 negatives with Dorito Man. Okay, well, let me go back to purple blue. Okay, so that's 25.
And it equals 35.
Right, but 25 what?
Plus 10. Plus negative
Plus 10. Makes?
35.
Yeah, she said it already. Good job. People are writing. That's why they're not passing. Okay, thank you. 14 plus negative 25. This is also a double sign. Alright, so this turns negative. Oopsies. 14 negative 25. So that means bad guys win. How much did they win by? Anybody? How much did they win by? They won by 11. Correct. Okay, 25 divided by negative 5. Positive divided by negative is negative. That's Dorito Man. Okay, now absolute value, I didn't talk about that much. The absolute value means that whatever's inside is going to turn positive, right? So if it was a positive, it ends up being a positive. If it's a negative, it ends up being positive. Anything turns positive. So this answer is positive because it's absolute value. Okay, select all that have 0. We're looking for all that has 0. So the temperature outside was negative 8, and then it went up 8. Is that 0? Yeah. Okay. This one right here is not. That would be negative 16. Okay, what about the third one? starting at negative 100 and then go up 100. Yeah. What about the last one? No, because 250 with another 250 makes 500. All right. Goodbye, you two.